As you know, we are talking about teaching intensive reading. So when we are talking about teaching intensive reading, we need to talk about comprehension and comprehension questions. And one of the aspects is the focus of the comprehension questions. What could be the main emphasis of the comprehension questions? So there are various strategies which we have already discussed in our previous module. So let's continue the discussion about those strategies here, which we as being EFL teachers can employ. Another type of or strategy is to require students respond critically to the given passage. That's a very important one, because it helps us evaluate the overall understanding of the students of the given passage. It helps us understand how well the students have understood the evidence, the quality of the evidence given in the passage. And this can be used to analyze whether the content given in the passage is appropriate, or the quality of the expression, the tone of the writer, and how well the language is clear. So these are various types of questions which can give focus to the comprehension questions. Whether the students agree or disagree, that's important one, because it makes them analyze the texts critically. When they show their satisfaction or dissatisfaction with the text, or agreement or disagreement with the text, that actually trigger learning or understanding of the text in an effective way. So there are various ways of doing it, and so one of the ways is to require students respond critically to the given passage. What's the value? The question arises: what's the value of talking about the focus of the comprehension questions? Well, it allows the value, the significance is, it helps us, you and me as being EFL teachers, to check, to understand if the students are given the suitable answer, and the answer is given with according to the focus of the passage. So there could be some more demanding questions which can involve more in-depth understanding or a thorough understanding of the text. So far we have talked about a focus of comprehension questions, and now we have seen that the focus comes in different shapes, where we can engage our students, give us the literal comprehension of the text, or we can engage them to draw inferences from the text, or we can engage them to respond critically to the text. So the purpose of including such schemes or such strategies as being EFL teachers is to measure the overall understanding of the students. To what extent they read well, or to what extent they read critically the text, or to what extent their reading ability can be improved. So this is how we, within teaching intensive reading, we can include comprehension questions, and the comprehension question can be framed in such a way which involves students respond critically or draw inferences from the text.